Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change taskbar alignment to left on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change taskbar alignment to left on Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings. Now click on Personalization. Now scroll down. Click on Taskbar. Again, scroll down. You'll find an option here, Taskbar Behavior. Click on Taskbar Behaviors. Here you will find Taskbar Alignment. And by default, it is selected to center. Just click on drop down here and select left. Now close settings. Look, the taskbar alignment has been moved to left. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.